So this is the parcel we've got from Jed Lamb, and this is the AK Interactive paint set. And inside this box we have got two trays of paints, total of 34 marker pen paints. So let's have a look at one of these. Look at that, acrylic paint marker. And what we'll do, we'll get something to paint and see how they come out. To the AK Interactive paint pens, and we'll start with a blue, and this figure's been primered. I'm going to give them some blue overalls, and you can just see how easy it goes on. Really good coverage, really easy. And because when you're finished, you just put the cap back on, and that's it. So we'll put a little bit of some ivory for some flesh colours. Put those on first. And because they're acrylic, they dry pretty quick as well. So I think what we'll do with these is we'll colour them in, and then just use a light wash over the top to tie all the pieces together. We'll probably have a look at starting the hat. But I mean, this is so much easier than getting the paints out and cleaning the brushes. Because the other thing as well is you can like take these away. If you could do a bit of painting on a holiday, and not having to worry about paint pots and brushes and getting water to clean them. So I think these are pretty amazing. They're works out about £2.50 a pen. So I'm not sure how long they'll last, so we'll have to sort of see that is. But in terms of just painting some things together really quickly, these are pretty amazing. What else have we got? We've got some So this is a little guy finished, and it's come out really well. Used a combination of these pens, managed to give him a little red cravat, even managed to put some dots in the eyes with some like white around them, and goes on really well. Black bootlaces as well. Did find that because it's a pen, it really only goes where you put it, so if you do get little dots that are missing, it's because you haven't wiped over it, and because obviously with a paintbrush it runs a bit more. But that's just like, no, that's even better really. It goes exactly where you want it. Difficult obviously to get into some little tiny cracks because of the size of the nib, but again, for some quick painting results, mess free, no water, these are just superb, a game changer. So next thing is going to be to give them a wash, and then a varnish, and see what it comes out like. And I wouldn't be surprised if you can use these pens for like highlighting and lowlights as well. So definitely going to be using these and painting a few more figures up. So we're going to do a little flesh wash. Just to bring out some of the features in the face. And for the rest of the body, going to give a wash over it to get into those nooks and crannies. We'll let him dry and we'll see what it comes out like. So this is the finished guy. He's got a wash and a varnish, and as you can see from the cap, used the pens to put some check effect on that as well, and I think it's turned out really well. It's definitely going to be a set of pens that I'm going to keep using.